Here are 5 things to build in the perfect printer. Number 1, squaring your frame. When assembling your printer, you want to ensure that it's properly squared. If not, you may have it lean to one side, and that will cause future problems. With a properly squared frame, that now brings us to number 2, making sure that your base is leveled. As cool as 3D printers are, they're not always perfect. Sometimes these guys will come with a not so leveled base, and so you got to go in there on the side, loosen them up, put them on a flat surface, and straighten them out. Don't worry about trying to figure this out. There's going to be a link in the description helping you guys get through that. That now brings us to number 3, the eccentric nuts. You will find those on your x-axis and on your bed. When you tighten these guys, you don't want to do them too tight. You want to apply finger pressure to where they easily roll and slowly tighten until you're no longer able to roll them on their own. We don't want no bed wobbles here. And that is very bad, because what that does is when this applies pressure, makes it uneven, gives you horrible layer lines. The last thing to do to ensure you have the ultimate built printer is esteps. This is the extruder. Esteps are the number of steps the extruder needs to make to extrude 1 millimeter of filament. Sometimes, like I said, these printers aren't perfect. They come out of the box over extruded or under extruded. And heck, sometimes they come out perfect. I'll also do a step-by-step video on how to properly calibrate your esteps. If there's anything you want me to touch upon, comment below, like, and subscribe. Appreciate the love.